Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my lovely students, today we will take Unit 6, Lesson 4 in our book We Can. But first of all, I will start my lesson with the day and the date, of course. The day today is what? The day is Sunday and the spelling is Sunday and the date is 29/5/1443 after Hijrah. Okay? Now ask and answer game. If I ask you, my lovely students, if I ask you girls, what time do you usually get up? I usually get up at 12 o'clock p.m. Then girls, if I ask you, what do you want to be in the future? I want to be a doctor in the future, for example, okay? Or I want to be a nurse in the future. Or I want to be a teacher in the future, okay? You can choose the job that you want to be in the future, okay? Now, girls, let me start my lesson for today. And as I told you, today we will take Unit 6, Lesson 4. The title of our unit is about jobs, page 48 and 49. Okay? Let me start first with phonics. We will take just two letters together. Two letters together. KN together and GH together. Okay? How to pronounce words that has these two letters. Okay? Number one. What is this, girls? Knob. Knob. K is silent. K is silent. Knob. K-N-O-B. So what is this? This is a knob. K-N-O-B. K-N-O-B. What is this? This is a knob. K-N-O-B. Okay? What about this, girls? What is this? I'm sure that all of you knows this word. Knife. So this is a knife. Knife. K is silent. K is silent. This is a knife. K-N-I-F-E. So number one, knob. Number two, knife. Okay. What about number three, girls? What can you see here in this picture? I can see a moon at night. I can also see some stars at night. Okay. So what do we call this picture? Night. GH silent too. Okay, like letter K. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Night. Oh, when I ask you, when can you see the moon and the stars? You can see the moon and the stars at night. Okay. What about this picture, girls? We can say lamp. Excellent. We can say lamp or light. So lamp or light. L-I-G-H-T. This is light. L-I-G-H-T. This is what? This is a light. L-I-G-H-T. This is what, girls? This is a light. So today we took together some words like what? Like knob, like knife, like night, like light. So knob, knife, night, light. Okay? Now, girls, we have some sounds here. We have z, s, and is again, z, s, and is. Okay? Now, I will give you some words that end with s and how to pronounce the last sound. Okay? Let me start first with number one. Number one, we have reads. Reads. The sound is z, z. Okay. Number two, we have walks. Walks. The sound is s. Number three, we have teaches. Teaches is. Teaches. Teaches. Okay. Is. Okay. So number one, reads. Z. Two, walks. Walks is or s. Teaches is. Okay. Now, girls, read the following numbers. Read the following numbers, girls. Focus with me, please. 100, 420, 250, 780, 320, 410, 670, 830, 940, 1000, 800, 200, 500. Again, 100, 420, 250, 780, 320, 410, 670, 830, 940, 1000, 800, 200, 500. Okay? Now, please open your book, page 48 and 49. Listen, say, and match, then write KN or KG. Listen, please, girls, listen.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, say, and match. Then write KN or GH.
Listen to words with KN and GH. Match KN or GH. Right, right. Knob, knob. Knee, knee. Night, night. Knife, knife. Light, light. Knock, knock. Now write KN or GH.
Okay, girls, number 1, write RIGHT. 2, knob, KNOB. 3, knee, KNEE. 4, knock, KNOCK. 5, light, LIGHT. Knife, KNIFE. Night, NIGHT. Okay? Exercise 2. Listen, say a number, then read. Listen, please.
Exercise 2. Listen, say, and number. Then read.
Listen, point, and practice. Number 1. Reads. Reads says Z. Reads says Z. Number 2. Walks. Walks says Walks says. Number 3. Teaches.
Teaches.
Teaches says is. Teaches says is.
So, girls, now write number 1, number 2, or 3 next to these words. Okay, next to what? Next to these words, girls. If the sound is z, like reads, you have to write number 1. If the sound is like s, like walks, you have to write number 2. 3, if the sound is like teaches, you have to write number 3. Okay, listen to me now. Listen. Number 1. Number 1, girls, we have sleeps. Sleeps. Number what? 2. Number 2. What about number 3? Number 3, number washes. What about washes? Washes is 3. Plays. Plays is 1. Eats. Eats 2. Like walks. Cleans. Cleans 1. Like reads. Washes 3. Like what? Like watches 3. Like washes and teaches. Brushes 3. Folds 1. Like reads. Runs 1. Like reads. Comes 1. Like reads. Goes 1. Like reads. Catches. Catches is like what? Like teaches, watches, and washes. So 3. Okay? You have to do it like this, girls. Now listen and point to the numbers. Then chant. Listen, please.
Challenge time. Listen and point to the numbers. Then chant.
1,000 stars. I like to count the stars at night. 10 at a time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count together 100 at a time.
girls. 1,000 stars. I like to count the stars at night. 10 at a time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count together. 100 at a time. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000 stars at night. Again. 1,000 stars. I like to count the stars at night. 10 at a time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count together. 100 at a time. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000 stars at night. Your homework in the activity book, girls, is page 117 and 118. You have to write the new words here. We have knob, knock, knee, knife, night, light, and right. Then listen and check the right books. We have the sound z, s, and is. You have to put just a tick, okay? The second page is you have to rewrite the song that we have in page 49, girls. Rewrite the song that we have on page 49. Okay, this is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.